So we're in the process of inventing a weather station. I've put some sensors in here that will read barometric pressure, temperature and humidity, and we also wanted a wind anemometer, all 3D printed at this point. So far we've had mixed results. Well, I had a couple of little jobs today. One was to fit this sign, and I forgot to turn the camera on, as per usual. But it's up there, looks nice. And the next one, or the second one, is to fit this strip under this hatch. There's rather a George raft comes in there, so we're going to try and fit that up there. And bolt it through here. So that's the next job. True to form, I forgot to film. I'll show you what we're on with. So we're all of this. It gets the weather, because when you're chugging and it's raining in winter, we can pull the hatch so far across, but inevitably this sort of entranceway and the ledge around gets wet. So before winter sets in, and as we've got a lovely day, we've decided to give it a sandbag, which I think it's pretty much there now, as far as good as I'm going to get it. And then we're going to try oiling it with the oil that we've used for the dinette table. It's a good quality stuff, interior and exterior. So now I realise that it dries. I always thought oil stayed oily, but it doesn't, it dries. So we're going to give it a wipe down now, and then give it a coat of oil and see what it looks like. It's all a bit of a guesstimate, if I'm honest. We have got some exterior varnish, but it's not, varnish is not what it used to be. It seems to be water based, and it's peeling off quite easily. So I'm going to give it a whirl with the oil and see how it goes. So Mrs. M's putting a coat of oil on with a daft hat.
With the daft hat.
She likes a daft hat.
It's absolutely boiling today.
It is, we've got a warm all day today. So we're not quite sure if it's going to turn out alright or not. We think it will. Top lip needs doing, Carol.
Yeah, I've done. Oh shit.
I'll bleep that out for you.
Thank you.
It's a bit of a tight squeeze in here, isn't it?
It is.
Come to see how your performance is going.
Cheeky devil.
See if you're doing a good job or not.
Well, as good a job as the prep.
Oh, there were no need for that, were they? Obviously needs more prep to get stains out it.
Yeah, but
take it back, but it won't go back, will it?
No, no. And once all instruments are back in, it'll be fine.
Not going anywhere till they are back in.
No.
Got no throttles are out. So we're on a absolutely gorgeous day. We're all beavering away in the engine room oiling, and I'm on my way to get the chips out as instructed. Look at the weather, it's gorgeous. Tixall Wide still, looking beautiful. So we're in the process of inventing a weather station. I've put some sensors in here that will read barometric pressure, temperature and humidity, and we also wanted a wind anemometer, all 3D printed at this point. So far we've had mixed results. It's not working exactly as requested or required, but it's in development, shall we say, so there's still work to be done. But it does make a bit of a racket downstairs in the bedroom when Mrs M's not massively keen. As you can see, it does actually go around now, which is an improvement on where we were the other day, but it does make a noise. Everybody, we're being quiet because it's ever so early. 7:30. 7:30. Says the old person in the corner who doesn't sleep ever. So we're setting off out of Tixall Wide down the Staffs and Worcester now, so all new canal from here. We've got a shopping stop, yes, planned at an Aldi because we're
before Penkridge.
It's part of Stafford. Yeah. It's not far in actual fact, but we're going to get down there, get some bits and bobs, and then go towards Penkridge.
Yeah. The service is down there, isn't it?
Apparently so. Although we're not very bad, are we?
No. Bin.
Apart from that, the weather's turned. It's awfully windy and threatening rain, although it's not raining at the moment. Fingers crossed.
So yesterday was an awful day. It just rained practically non-stop all day.
Yeah, Sunday was really bad, wasn't it? The
very windy in the night.
Yeah. The good news, as you'll have seen, is I've got my wind meter working of a fashion.
Even though it's laid down now and it's still going round.
No problem. I had it up earlier and it's functioning alright, so we've got to fine tune it and calibrate it, but it's and then just figure out what we're making the noise, because when I put it up this morning I wasn't making any noise. I don't know whether it went tight on the flagpole went tight. We'll see. So we'll keep you posted. Loved Tixall Wide, been great, but pastures new. Carol's just setting up this first lock. In fact, I think it might be the only lock, or there might be two today. This is Tixall lock, just after Tixall Wide. just mooring up here for a trip to the supermarket. There's an Aldi just round the corner at the next bridge, we think. So go and stock up with provisions. So we've been and stocked up with food from the Aldi, just close to Bridge 98 there on the Staffs and Worcester. So we're pressing on. Carol's depackaging everything, ready for the service point so we can get rid of it in the rubbish bin. And we're going to mosey on down the Staffs and Worcester. Quick update. We're on our third lock of the day. I think we're in Bridge 91, I think it is. 91? 90. Might be 90. Anyway, Carol's just up at the lock. There's a bit of a queue, or the boat just gone up, one coming down, and then we're in straight after that. So yeah, been a nice day. It's not rained on us, so that's good. It's been quite chilly and very windy. I think there's another couple of locks at least before we get to Penkridge, and then we'll decide what we're going to do about mooring for the night. Whether we go through the other side of Penkridge or whether we stick at it, I don't know. Time will tell.